Hey guys, it's Ed from TechSource, and I'm here to show you the process of unlocking your Blackberry Priv smartphone so you can use it with any GSM carrier in the world. For this demonstration, I will be using my locked AT&T Priv and unlock it so I can use it on my T-Mobile network, but it's the exact same process for any carrier. So first off, we need to get the unlock code to start the unlocking process. The place where I get all my unlock codes is theunlockingcompany.com because they have the cheapest prices online and I get my codes much faster than other websites. So head on over to theunlockingcompany.com and select your phone manufacturer and the phone model from the drop-down list. And on the next page, go ahead and select the country the phone was originally purchased from and the carrier of the phone. In my case, I purchased it in the United States and the original carrier is AT&T. Before we continue, we need the IMEI number of the phone, and the way you look that up on your phone is to open up the dial pad and enter in *#06#. Once the phone displays the IMEI number, you have to go back on the website and enter that in. Once everything is filled out, select get unlocking code and that will take you to the final screen where you have to check out. After checking out, they will email you the unlock code. The price and delivery time of your code varies by phone, but don't worry because as I said before, you are getting the cheapest price online with the fastest delivery time. Once you receive your unlock code from the unlocking company, it's time to unlock your phone, but before we continue, make sure that the phone is powered off. Go ahead and pop out the SIM tray, which should be located on the top of the phone, and then you have to put in the SIM card you want to use with the phone. I want to use the Blackberry Priv on my T-Mobile network, so I'm putting in my T-Mobile SIM card. If your SIM card doesn't fit, then you have to adjust the size in order for it to work. There is a link below to show you how that's done. After inserting the SIM tray back into the phone, go ahead and start it back up. Once the phone boots up, it will take you to the SIM unlock page, and this is where you enter the unlock code that you received from the unlocking company. After inputting the code and hitting unlock, you will get a message stating that the unlock was successful, and the phone will take you straight to the home screen and your phone becomes permanently unlocked. So that's how you unlock your Blackberry Priv for any GSM carrier in the world. If this video helped you guys out, feel free to leave a like. And if you have any questions or run into any problems, ask me in the comment section down below, and I'll see you next time.